written by one of the greatest songwriters of all time, Mr. John Lennon. And Christmas is a time of joy and love and family and happiness, but it's also a time that we wish for peace. And peace is something that is surely lacking in the world we live in now, with wars and rumors of wars. And we have peace in this country, but we wish for it everywhere because it's what the world really needs. So this is called Happy Christmas, War is Over, and we hope it happens soon.
So this is Christmas. What have you done? Another year over, a new one just begun. And so this is Christmas. I hope you have fun. The year and the new one. The road is so long. A very, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. And so this is Christmas. And for so this is Christmas.